As I said in this video, I'm going to make these dolls. Let's start with Hitogata. For the Hitogata doll, we need paper, scissor, glue, a rock and a mobile phone. Papers are needed, scissors are needed, glue is needed, and a rock is needed. It also has to watch paper and scissors show, and audience is compulsory. And now it's time to make the doll. You need many pieces of paper, but I am using 3. First, you have to use a pencil to draw it. Then you have to copy it. Now you have to cut it out. Now this looks 2D, which I don't like. I want to make it 3D, so I have to do a little more construction.
2,000 years later.
This is the final look of my Hitotama. See, I always knew that I am the greatest artist of all time, and you don't need to compliment me in the comments. Next, Daruma doll. For the monk, we need color, a balloon, glue, paper, and lots of paper. First, choose the color of the balloon. Next, pump it up the balloon. Alright, it's the hardest part of the video. Third, cover the balloon with the glue and paper. Fourth, wait for it to dry. After that, pop the balloon inside. Oh.
2 hours later.
I forget to tell about this, but there are so many colors of this doll on the internet. Let's make it whatever color we want.
3 hours later.
Done. My Daruma doll actually looks like a Daruma doll. Your goal, no farting in the video. Next, I am going to make a Kokeshi doll. For this limb different doll, we need paper, scissor, glue, and an intelligent brain. First, make the paper into a small square, then make 4 more squares of the same size. After that, make one big square. Now glue them all together. That's it. Oh wait, I forget to give her a mouth. Oh, she telling you to subscribe so she can get her hands. Bye.